Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, this is a Honda Accord 2018. They left it in 4 bricks. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. There's no need to install another alarm and carry an extra key fob with you. So basically, yeah, if somebody tries to remove the lug nut locks, basically what you got to do is you got to buy a set of lug nut locks, put them on. Maybe 2 or 3 per tire. That would be fantastic. They can still be retracted out. What they do, they put a socket, hammer it in by pressure, and that will retreat them out. It is very doable. It wouldn't take long. It will take maybe like 2 minutes per tire, maybe 3 minutes per tire. So, but the banging is what my shock sensor likes. The minute they apply the socket and hit it by pressure with a hammer to retract them out, the shock sensor will pick that up and fire the alarm off. Not to mention when the car falls in the bricks, that will fire off the alarm too. But I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire and show you guys. Fires off the alarm. Basically, I shut it off, but it will ring for 3.5 minutes, and if you're not there to shut it off and you're on vacation or whatnot, it's not going to sit there and ring all week while you're gone. It'll just ring for 3.5 minutes. Okay, we're going to also do the keyhole. We also did the bypass so nobody busts out the keyhole and shuts off the factory alarm. So that will continue because what happens with these Hondas, if somebody breaks the key cylinder, shuts off the factory alarm. So we do the bypass, so if somebody busts out the keyhole, it would not shut off the factory alarm. The minute they open the door, it will still go off. But either way, if somebody tries to bang on it to bust out the keyhole, the alarm will fire off. This alarm was installed, this shock sensor add-on was installed here in Fort Lauderdale. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.